Up next, we are doing a water bottle filled with tinfoil. Hooray! Just put it in there. Put it over there. No, I want to put it up front. Yeah. Stay up! Okay. How long for this one? Let's do...
Same number as the other one.
No, let's do 2:30.
Yeah.
This one shouldn't take very long.
On fire.
Heck yeah.
Ha!
That is pretty sweet.
Yeah.
That's pimp.
Yeah.
Oh, fine, just stop glowing.
Whatever
Stop
that
being
is.
a pimp.
Then it starts being a pimp.
All of a sudden it explodes.
Dude, that's your fire.
It's not fire, that's just light.
Dude, that's fire. See?
That's pretty pimp.
See, look at fire.
Oh, there's the fire. I see it now. Let's let it keep going until it gets to a minute.
No, until it's done.
No.
Starting to be a film again. Oh.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stop it at a minute 15. It's at a minute 30.
Why?
'Cause it's on fire.
So?
Fine, whatever. I'll stop it at a minute though.
Okay, should I put my glasses on?
Probably.
Tinfoil works good.
Tinfoil's the... Dang, oh my gosh.
Why
Okay.
did you use all of it?
I didn't. There's still some right there.
We gotta put more in.
No, we don't.
Dude, I gotta come with.
Okay.
Open it.
Let's open this. Smoke. Dang. It totally like ate through the bottle.
Dang.
That is
We
pretty.
still have some left.
That's pretty cool.
We still have some left.
Ow, it's really hot though. Put that back in there. Okay. Oh gosh, that cap looks so hot.
Dude, let's put 20.
Ew, ow, hot. Frick. Ow, gosh. I need gloves. Ow. Okay, I'm gonna set the camera down. Ow. Frick. Gosh, it's hot.
We need money. Come on, people.
Ow. Gosh. Okay, hold on.